Hello, my name is Oliver. I'm here with Cyber Seniors, and today I will be showing you how to access our online webinars. You should now be on the Cyber Seniors homepage. From here, we'll have to scroll down to access the webinars, till you arrive here. Group Zoom Sessions. Each Zoom session is labeled with its scheduled time and date and its subject matter. To the right of these is that session's registration link, which is the blue text that says register. To join a webinar, you have to register first to protect the webinars against prank calls. To register, move the cursor to the blue register link so that it becomes underlined, then click. This should take you to the registration page. Now you can set your time zone to see what time the webinar will be for you. To do this, move your cursor over the blue text which says America/Toronto, then click. This will bring up a box labeled Switch Time Zone. To switch your time zone, move your cursor to the gray rounded rectangle in the center of the box and click. This should bring up a larger rounded rectangle filled with a list of different time zones. Look for the empty gray rectangle with sharp edges at the top of this list. This is the search bar. Move your cursor over it and click it. A black line should begin flashing within the search bar, indicating that you are ready to type. Now, type in the name of your time zone. For me, this is Central Time. Once you have typed in the name, your time zone should appear at the top of the list beneath the search bar. Once you see your time zone, move your cursor over it and click it. Now your time zone should be the one inside of the rounded rectangle. To confirm that this is your time zone, move your cursor to the big blue button labeled OK at the bottom right of the box and click it. Now that your time zone is selected, you should see an accurate scheduled time and date for the webinar. To fill out the rest of your information, scroll down so that you can see all of the boxes as well as the blue register button. Like before, to scroll down, pull back on the mouse wheel, drag 2 fingers up simultaneously on the trackpad, or move your cursor to the right of the screen. Hover it over the gray box, click and hold, then pull it down until all of the boxes and the register button are in view. Now, for each of the boxes, move your cursor over it and click to create the flashing black line. Then type in the information the box is labeled with. For example, I will type Oliver for my first name, then move my cursor over to the next box, click, and type in Bear Benson for my last name. For the bottom 2 boxes, you will type the same email address into each, which ensures that the address is correct so we don't send a webinar invitation to the wrong person. If you do not have an email address, feel free to call us at 1-844-217-3057, where we can help you with specific tech problems. Finally, to confirm that you are not a robot, move your cursor to the small box labeled I'm not a robot and click it. Now that all of the formwork is complete, move your cursor to the large blue button labeled register and click it. Good work! You are now registered for the webinar. The page that you are now on is what you will use to join the webinar, so make sure not to close it. Once you are ready to join the webinar, look for the long line of blue text at the bottom of the screen labeled Please click this URL to join on the left, move your cursor over it, and click. This should take you to the Zoom website. Once you are on the Zoom website, move your cursor to the blue text which says Download and Run Zoom and click it. This should make a little download appear at the bottom left of your window. If you click that, then Zoom should begin installing on your computer, and you will see a little blue progress bar showing you how close to done it is. Once the progress bar fills up completely, then Hopefully, fingers crossed, you have successfully downloaded Zoom and joined your first Zoom meeting. If the meeting doesn't open up, make sure that you're joining at the right time, being careful of time zones, and if all else fails, you can always call us at 1-844-217-3057. I hope this video helped you, and wish to see you soon in our Cyber Seniors webinars.